All right. The history of Zyklon B spans its development as a commercial pesticide in the 1920s to its horrific use as an instrument of mass murder by the Nazis during the Holocaust. More than 1 million people were killed by Zyklon B in the gas chambers of extermination camps, particularly Auschwitz-Birkenau. Origin as a pesticide. Initial development, 1919 through 1926. The chemical compound was created in Germany by the company Deutsch something, which was founded in 1919 to instigate military applications for chemicals. After an earlier version called Zyklon A was banned due to its connection with World War I chemical weapons, D-Jets chemists, including Walter Hurt and Bruno Tesch, devised a more stable version by composition and patent. The new compound, named Zyklon B, was made of hydrogen cyanide absorbed into a solid carrier metal like diatomaceous earth. It was sealed in airtight canisters and included a cautionary eye irritant. A patent was filed for the pesticide in 1922 and granted in 1926. Commercial use. Zyklon B was widely marketed before World War II as an effective and low-cost fumigant for killing pests like lice and insects. It was used to disinfect buildings, clothing, and the holds of ships. Notably, the U.S. Public Health Service used Zyklon B to fumigate the belongings of Mexican immigrants crossing the border in the 1920s. Transformation into a tool of genocide. Initial experimentation. In search of a more efficient method for killing large numbers of people than carbon monoxide gas, Nazi officials turned to Zyklon B in 1941. The first experimental gassings took place on Soviet prisoners of war in the basement of Block 11 at the Auschwitz concentration camp in September 1941. Industrialization of murder. After these initial trials, the Nazis began using Zyklon B systematically for mass murder, particularly in purpose-built gas chambers at extermination camps. The largest killing facilities were constructed at Auschwitz-Birkenau camp. The Nazis specifically ordered a version of the gas without the irritant to prevent victims from detecting the poison. Gassing process. Victims were herded into gas chambers disguised as showers. SS would then drop pellets of Zyklon B into the chamber through vents in the roof or walls. The pellets released toxic hydrogen cyanide gas upon exposure to the air, killing the victims within minutes. Corporate complicity and post-war accountability. Corporate manufacturers. Zyklon B was manufactured by Desier Werke and Kali Werke Colin. I'm kind of getting those. And distributed by German firms Tesch and Stabenow and Hertlingler. All right. An IG Farben subsidiary. All right, let's see. DGS controlled the patent for the Zyklon B brand. All right, trial and punishment. After the war, several individuals were involved for their roles in the atrocities. Tesch and Stabenow trial. Bruno Tesch and Karl Weitbacher, the owner and deputy of the distribution company Tesch and Stabenow, were found guilty and executed in 1946 for knowingly supplying the gas to the SS for use on humans. IG Farben trial. Directors of the IG Farben conglomerate were put on trial for war crimes. While some executives were convicted, others were acquitted, with many receiving early release and resuming positions of power. And post-war German companies. Lasting legacy. The legacy of Zyklon B serves as a powerful reminder of the intersection of industry, science, and the horrors of genocide. The product's brand name was discontinued after the war, and it is used as a pesticide, has been heavily restricted. The infamous canisters and the memory of the gas chambers stand as a permanent symbol of the Holocaust. Thanks for listening, everyone, about this. Take care.